Welcome to Lovely Hairstyles. Today I am making a voluminous bun without using donut. At first, gather all your hair and tie it with elastic band as a ponytail. Here the ponytail is already made. And pass the hair through the ponytail right before the elastic, from right side to left side. Here, hair is passing through the ponytail right before the elastic, from right side to left side, but not from the top to bottom. Gather the hair, lean to one side. To form a voluminous bun, tie the ponytail hair along with the scalp hair with the help of elastic and bobby pins as I am showing here. Then cover the base of the ponytail. Here I am covering the base of the ponytail with the ponytail hair by moving the hair above the base towards right side. This side, start braiding the hair. A normal 3-strand braid I am making here by incorporating more strands one by one as moving along. I am adding new strand also here from one side. Right strand above the middle strand and then left strand above the middle along with the new strand. Again the right strand above the middle strand and then left strand above the middle along with the new one. Every time the new strand is incorporating here. Right above the middle and then left above the middle along with the new strand. At the end of the braid, secure it with elastic band. And pin the braid properly to form a bun. Pin the braid properly as a bun. And hide the excessive braid behind the bun with the help of bobby pins. Here I am hiding the excessive braid behind the bun. Then accessorize the bun with flowers, beads and other hairpins. It's looking so beautiful. You can use hairpins also. Decorative hairpins. It looks a perfect hairstyle for all formal parties. For all formal event, it looks very beautiful. Very beautiful bun, voluminous bun is made. Thank you.